Oh, there's a lot more where that came from. Moment of truth, this thing's plugged in. So I'm gonna turn it on and see if we can even lift balls up to the top because there's a lot of weight pressing on this, but I got faith, let's go. Oh yeah, it's no problem at all. Should we go faster? Actually working. Okay. Can't believe how well that worked for the first try. So here's the second moment of truth. Can we generate any electricity? So we've got this light strip right here, plugged in through the rectifiers into the motor. When I pull this rod, the generator is gonna start. 3, 2, 1.